Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the HINDAWI sun hat for women, specifically the wide brim, UV protective visor, which has an empty roof design. This unique feature is perfect for those who love the sun but want to stay cool and protected without sacrificing style. Let's dive right into the details. This hat is crafted with superior polyester fabric, making it incredibly lightweight and breathable. It's designed to block out over 97% of harmful UV rays, ensuring that you stay safe while enjoying the outdoors. The wide brim offers excellent sun protection, especially for your face and eyes, making it perfect for activities like beach days, golf, tennis, or just enjoying a walk in the park. One of the standout features of this sun hat is its open top design. This allows you to comfortably wear it with a ponytail or bun, providing ultimate comfort and flexibility. You don't have to worry about your hair getting in the way or feeling uncomfortable while you wear it. Plus, the adjustable Velcro strap makes it easy to find the perfect fit, whether you have a smaller or larger head size. For added style, the hat is adorned with beautiful flower and pearl decorations around the brim. This subtle yet charming touch gives it a feminine flair, making it more than just a functional accessory. Underneath the brim, there's a lovely floral leaf pattern, setting this hat apart from others in the market. This hat is not only stylish and functional but also practical. It's packable, which means you can easily roll it up and tuck it into your beach bag or handbag, making it the ideal companion for your travels. The neck strings are a great addition, preventing the hat from flying away in the wind, adding even more convenience and security. The material used is soft, water-resistant, and quick-drying. Whether you're caught in the rain or spending a day at the pool, it's sure to keep its shape and continue protecting you from the sun. When it's time to clean the hat, simply hand wash it with cool water and mild soap, and it's good as new. With its sleek design, superior sun protection, and practicality, the HINDAWI sun hat is a must-have for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Whether you're heading to the beach, playing sports, or just relaxing in the sun, this hat has you covered. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. And hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. See you next time.